I'm going to be teaching you how to make 2 easy bird toy DIYs. So for the first one, you need a piece of paper. I just got one from a notebook. You'll also need some scissors and a not very long piece of twine. This is a bird kebab. This is originally made with, I think, yucca wood, and it's a very soft wood that birds like to tear. So yes, it is a shredding toy. So what you want to do first is take your paper and you want to cut it up into many pieces. Okay, now I am done cutting up my paper into many little pieces. Now these don't have to be even because your bird is going to be happy no matter how different these papers are. But next, you're going to want to take your scissors and cut little holes into the center of the paper so that you can thread them onto your twine. Now I am done cutting up little holes in the center of my papers. Now I'm going to take my twine and tie a knot at the bottom. Now this is going to keep your papers from falling down the bottom, but now you're going to start threading your papers on to the twine. The next craft is a ball. For the ball, you will just need some scissors and a toilet paper roll. So what you want to do is you want to flatten the toilet paper roll, and then you want to cut down strips like this. You can cut up how many ever you want. Strips, the easier it is gonna be for your bird to play with these. So the thick pieces, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them in half. Go. I'm done cutting up all my strips. So now what you want to do is you want to take your long strips and turn them into more of a circle shape like this. Is you want to sort of put them together to create a more ball-like shape. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So I put all my pieces together and made this really nice ball. And this ball is just wobbling everywhere, but this ball is like also a foraging toy because you can add crinkle paper inside and insert treats, and your bird will have lots of fun rolling this around, pulling out the crinkle paper and trying to get the treats. Now this can also be used as just a plain toss toy or a foot toy that you put at the bottom of your bird's cage so that your bird will like kick it around their cage. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!